Yo, my people, this is your boyfriend Creativity. I'm yet here again to bring you the best because you are the best and I'm the best. Now, today, we are going to be powered, okay? We are going to create something that everybody needs. People who want jobs, who apply to job places. You got right there, let's put them in envelopes. If you want to give somebody money, it's not the best to give just the bare money. You have to put it in an envelope. So I thought that let me bring my best tutorial on how to make a DIY origami envelope. So at the end of the whole tutorial, we are going to get something like this, okay? Which comes in all colors, all forms. This is just the beginning level. As we move on, other variations will be brought. Other designs, spectacular design shapes and forms will be brought. So just stay tuned, get your materials, chill, watch the videos, like them, subscribe, and you are going to not enjoy watching, following me. And don't forget, the name is my Creativity. Subscribe, like me every time. Thank you. Now let's go to the power. Okay, so coming to the paperwork, our A4 sheet is ready. With this, the width is 30 centimeters, okay, and the height is 21 centimeters. So when you get this, we have to fold from end to end, okay, but we have to do the folding using measurement. You have to do the folding using measurement. So as I'm using the ruler, I'm measuring 8 centimeters from the left. I use a pen to make a demarcation of the 8 centimeters. I do the same thing for the other end, 8 centimeters. I make a demarcation. Okay? Then I take my ruler and fold on the 8 centimeters. Using the demarcation I did as a guideline, okay? I lift the other part and fold it against my ruler to get a line, okay? I do the same thing for this place. Take my ruler, lift it and fold to get my line, okay? The demarcation, you do the same thing for the top and the same thing for the down, okay? That is 2 centimeters for the top and the down is 2 centimeters. I make a demarcation, top to down. I do the same thing for this place, 2 centimeters. After every demarcation, you fold. After every demarcation, you fold. So I've kept my ruler on my demarcation. I fold it against the ruler. Okay. I do the same folding for the base. Okay. The base, I do the same folding. Using the demarcation, you have to make sure that they are straight. Okay? You fold using the guideline of the demarcation. So when you open it, you see that you have 4 intersections. Intersection 1, intersection 2, intersection 3, intersection 4. So that is when your scissors come in, cutting from this line, this folded line, to that intersection. Then you stop. You don't go past the intersection. You cut from here also. So meaning we are cutting the corners of the A4 sheet. So our cutting still goes on. Cutting. You see, I'm cutting up to the intersection, the point. I'm cutting the corners using the lines that were created after we folded. So after cutting the corners, you get something like this. We are 70% done, okay? So you just have to fold and glue. You fold and glue, okay? Then you cover this place with it. If you want, you can bring this place first and cover this place with it, however you want it, okay? So I'm going to fold this place and cover this place with it. So meaning the top cover will receive the glue. So white glue comes in, not much of the glue to not make your work dirty, okay? Then I gently cover, checking the lines, okay? I gently cover, checking the lines. So you see, at this stage, you've gotten something like this. You see it? So we have the top opening and the down opening. So you use one as your base and one as your covering. I'm going to use this place as my base and this place as my covering. But you still have to design your base. I'm designing my base by cutting. See it? Good. So my base will receive glue. Not much of the glue so that your work doesn't become dirty. Then I seal the base. I seal my base. So you see, I still have my opening. That is where your letters and your money can be passed through. So this cover must also be designed. This cover must be designed. So I'm just curving the corner. Then I curve this corner also. My envelope is ready. Then I can cover it. If you are ready to seal it, you apply glue, you put whatever I want to put in as the content, you seal it and you cover it. So please don't forget, this is Frank Creativity. Other variations of envelopes will be done on this channel. This is the warm-up stage. This is just the basics. Other variations with crazy designs will be brought. So this is our origami envelope.
Running can't catch up. Oh love, what I won't do.